My husband said I couldn't make a better burger than McDonald's. We bought a double quarter pounder, and I made a double quarter pounder. Let's see which one's better.
Amongst all the fast food joints out there, I consider McDonald's to be like on my bottom list of burgers. Back then when I used to eat McDonald's, I used to order a double quarter pounder with cheese and bacon. And so we're gonna make that order today.
Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I order a double quarter pounder with cheese and bacon? Can you make that a meal? No pickles on the burger.
Yep, what's the drink?
I want to do a Sprite.
Anything else?
That'd be all.
First one, please.
17 bucks for a burger? Oh my gosh. That's crazy, 17 bucks. So I heard McDonald's Sprite is electrifying, whatever that means. I guess it's very fizzy. I'm gonna try it today and see if it's actually really good. Thank you very much. Oh man, everything is in here. First things first, let's try the Sprite. It's good. I don't know if it's electrifying, but it's good.
While Frederick is away, let's make our burgers at home. We're gonna add some black pepper and salt. Be generous with the salt. We're gonna make 2 patties with that. Now we're gonna cut up our onion and put it in some ice water so that they're nice and crispy. Take our bacon out of the air fryer. We're gonna add some oil to the pan and fry our patties. Add some extra salt and black pepper. Then we're gonna add in our American cheese, and we're gonna do the same thing to our second patty. You're gonna use the bacon oil for your buns. Now you're gonna plate to your burger, and look how amazing that looks. Okay, McDonald's can't do that. Look how amazing that looks. Juicy, thick, okay? That burger's thick, that's a thick burger. So let's compare burgers, and let's see.
So I'm gonna taste this blindfolded. That's how we're gonna stay objective.
Don't touch it. How's that?
That's a very dry burger. It tastes like it just came off the assembly line. It's pretty bland. I think I know which one this is better. Ah, okay. That's a big one.
Yeah, I think it's evident.
Oh man. The second one is juicy, it's flavorful, it's crispy, it's fresh.
How could you doubt me?
It tastes like it was made with love. It's everything you could desire in a burger. Where's the second one? I want more.
And the winner is number 2.
Number 2. No 2 ways about it.
Perfect.
The patty is dry. Everything is dry. It's like they're trying to please everybody, so nothing stands out. This one was done with purpose. If you ask God to tailor make a burger for you, this is it. Peggy, you won this challenge. I give it to you. You get a point, and I'm sorry for doubting you. Husbands, don't doubt your wives.